Namaskaram everyone. Today we'll be making palak paneer. This is a very famous dish from India. Generally we Indians, whenever we go to restaurants, we order this palak paneer. It's such a famous dish. Usually it's made with onion, garlic and green chilies, but today we are making it in the most positive pranic method without adding any of those negative pranic items. And I wanted to tell you one more thing. In Isha, they say that milk is digested generally by children below 3 years of age. So for adults, milk is mostly not very digestible and it causes mucus and it causes a lot of lethargy. Sadhguru also advises people that if you are prone to catching a lot of cold, you avoid milk products for some time. The cold will naturally go away. So once in a while we can have this palak paneer. So if you are a vegan and you don't want to use any of the dairy products, the same recipe you can do it with tofu paneer or soya. You can do the same recipe. This palak paneer goes very well with roti, naan and jeera pulao. And to go along with this, for the raw food, we have made a cucumber curry leaf juice and whole wheat rotis. So this is our lunch combo today. It's come out very well. Now let's go into the video and see how to make the palak paneer and the cucumber curry leaf juice. I have taken about 500 grams of palak leaves, cleaned them very well, and we will be adding it to hot water and boiling this for about 5 minutes. We are blanching the palak for 5 minutes. Then let us drain it into a container. We have to drain all the water away. This water you can use it for any other soup or sambar or dal that you're preparing. So let's drain all the water. Now for the gravy we need some cabbage, a cinnamon stick, few cloves, cardamom and bay leaves. So first we will be sauteing this cabbage with all the whole spices for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let us add the cabbage and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes till the cabbage becomes translucent in color. So cabbage is the secret ingredient for any non-onion garlic recipes. This will give a taste which is equivalent to that. And also it's very healthy also. So once we have sauteed the cabbage, let us take away all the whole spices and keep it aside and grind only the cabbage. Let's take away the cloves, cardamom, bay leaves and cinnamon stick and grind only the cabbage. Now for the spice powder, we need turmeric powder, garam masala, red chili powder and coriander powder. We also need cumin seeds for tempering. So let's heat a pan with oil. We have added peanut oil. You can also use butter or ghee. Let's add the cumin, and once the cumin crackles, let's add the whole spices that we kept aside when we sauteed the cabbage. Now let's add the cabbage, ground cabbage also. Cook it till all the oil separates. And then let's add all the spice powders at one shot and mix it very well. The raw smell of the spice powders have to go away. You can add a little bit of water if you find the gravy very thick. Now the palak is cooled very well. Let us grind it in a mixie. Let's not add any more water. It has to be thick and creamy. The palak is ground well. Let's add it to the spice that we have sauteed. We have 200 grams of paneer cubed into small pieces. We will also be adding this. Some of them, they fry the paneer in oil and then add it, but I like this method of adding the paneer directly in the palak paneer. Let's cook this for another 5 minutes. It has to be really creamy. I'm adding a little bit of milk on top with the cream for an extra flavor and richness. Now the palak paneer is done. Let's transfer it to a bowl. The color is so good. The color is very green. Well, let's top it with some raw chopped tomatoes and grated paneer. and serve it. Now let's see how to make the cucumber curry leaf juice. Let's take 2 cucumbers. We have taken 2 English cucumbers that does not have much seed at all. Let's peel all the skin. Cut them into large pieces. Add some 10 to 15 curry leaves and grind it into a juice. This juice is so refreshing and filling as well. So now the juice is ground. You can add a little more water to adjust the consistency. You can wish to add salt, or you can just consume the juice raw as it is. It's very good for your health. Do not store this juice in the refrigerator. Always consume fresh juice. It's got a lot of fiber and iron content. The green cucumber curry leaf juice is ready. Let's serve our lunch. Whole wheat chapatis, palak paneer and cucumber curry leaf juice. We have spread some ghee on top of the whole wheat rotis. So this is a wholesome meal for today. I usually make large quantities of palak paneer because my son and daughter love it. I make it once in a while. That's the reason I made palak paneer with about half a kg of palak leaves. You can adjust the quantity according to your size of the family. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video and being with us. I didn't start YouTube with a goal at all that I will be putting out a lot of videos or any ambition. I never started YouTube with that. Without even knowing any editing or anything, I just jumped into it because a few friends told me I should share some of the recipes in the YouTube channel. And so far I have got all of you as subscribers. I think it's Sadhguru's grace and blessings that I am putting such videos. Thank you so much again, and my namaskarams to all of you.